How to remove backgrounds from images. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove background from images. So without any further ado, let's dive in. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for background remover. And after you search for it, you'll find multiple different websites available. Now there are a lot of different websites available for background removing and a lot of them are good as well. So some of the popular ones are Adobe. You'll also find Canva here. You'll find PixArt, PixelCut, and many more. So we'll just head over to the Adobe's background remover. So tap on this. And after you do that, all you now have to do is drag and drop an image. So select an image that you want to remove from the background and drop it right here. So if it does not work the first time, it will redirect you into another section where you can drag and drop your file again. So let it do its thing. As you can see, it's taking some time. And while it does that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. After you do that, there you can see the background has been removed from this image. And you can also add backgrounds. There you can see there are multiple options available. But if you're satisfied with this, tap on the download button. After you tap on download, the image will get downloaded. And then you can open it up and see. So there you can see the background has been removed from the image, and that is basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you can remove a background from an image. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.